Hey everybody, Jason Wehrli with WCFab Side. Check out our Honda Talon billet hubcap. So you've lost your factory hubcaps multiple times. You've spent $30, $40 buying replacement ones. You're sick and tired of replacing them. The billet aluminum version, we essentially took the same concept, but the top is contoured and recessed so it doesn't stick out as far as the factory one. We use a large O-ring to help keep it in place in the wheel. Now mind you, these hubcaps are meant for the OEM wheels only. These are not meant for aftermarket wheels. So if your hubcaps are missing or if you still have them, remove your factory hubcap, light application of grease to the O-ring, and simply push into place. You'll never lose a hubcap again. They're smooth, so they don't have to worry about grabbing anything or getting knocked out in a rut or by a tree. If you're out on the trail and need to remove your hubcap to replace a CV shaft, you need to access the CV nut, something as simple as a pocket knife or a flat blade screwdriver. We have a groove on the back side with a little bit of prying. The hubcap pops right out. Very simple and easy upgrade to keep your Honda Talon looking good and not have to worry about keeping OEM rubber hubcaps in your toolbox anymore. Be sure to follow us on social media. Thanks a lot for watching.